Step out. Bring your hands up. Slowly. Shoulder level. Bend your knee. Drop your elbow. Push your hands down to your hip level. And turn to your right a little bit. Holding elbow on your right side. Open your hand to the front. Right hand next to your hip. Left hand block to the front. And the hands go to the front. And turn. Bring it back. Bring it all the way back. 45. And you're gonna bend your arm. Put it back to your chest level. Chest level. And push to the front. And palm facing down. Open it. And bring it back. And push together. And hold into fist your hands. And turn your hands and bring it back. And block to the front. And hold height with your elbow. And block with your elbow. Now you're gonna do your left side. Open your hand to the front. Bring it back. Bring it back to your chest level. And push. Palm facing down. Open it. Bring it back. And push. Hold into fist. Turn. And then bring your hands back. And block. And then hit your elbow. This is your right elbow. And block with your left hand. Okay, next one. You're going to shift your weight to your left leg. Turn your right foot. Circle your hand. And shift your weight to your right leg. Holding a ball here. And bring your foot back a little bit. Step out. And open it to the front. Right hand next to your hip. And sit back. Turn. Taichi step. Same. Shift your weight. Holding a ball here. Step out. And a block to here. Okay.